celebrating International Tiger Day, 29th July 2021, dedicated to the stalking wildcats that are ferocious but magnificent. The existence of tigers indicates the presence of a healthy forest. Act now, protect the striped king of the forest. On this day, we must pledge to do our bit to save this wonderful creation of God, the tiger. Protecting the tiger population and their habitat will create a healthy ecosystem necessary for the survival of the tigers. The persistent struggle for survival between the predator and prey must go on. Save the tiger, save the forest. Safari rides are not just for fun. It is the time to understand the importance of wildlife and the need to protect the apex predator, the tiger. Let this magnificent tiger walk on the forest floor, truly protecting our jungles. Meet the iconic tigress of Tadoba. Look into her magnificent, beautiful eyes. The eyes say, save the tigers and save the forest. Let this magnificent tiger walk on the forest floor, truly protecting our jungles. Let us all sincerely thank all those people involved in protecting the magnificent tigers. Let this magnificent tiger walk on the forest floor, truly protecting our jungles.